Hey, what's up, y'all? So in this video I'm gonna show you how I got this silver, okay, sexy silver hair. This video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. Shout out to them for sending me these amazing quality 613 bundles. Y'all saw these bundles in my last video, so if you want to know more about this hair, go ahead and check out that last video. Here's just a little view of the bundles. I do just want to say that this is some really great quality hair. It's hard to find good 613 hair, so it was just nice and soft and just beautiful 613 hair. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this color. So to start, I just did 2 test pieces to see how silver or ashy I wanted this hair. So this first piece here, just I shampooed it, rinsed it right off, and it gave me just this nice ash blonde. And then here on the other side, I have this silver piece that I let sit for 10 minutes, and as you can see, it got real ashy. And you know what, I was like, okay, I think I want to be ashy, so I went with this one. So you want to always make sure you unwind your bundles, okay? Let them loose before you do any kind of coloring, so that color or shampoo or whatever you're using can get everywhere. You definitely will have splotchy pieces, okay? Just take my word for it. I done messed up plenty of times on that. So you want to make sure you get your bundles nice and soaked so that the shampoo, yes girl, Shimmer Lights blonde and silver shampoo, can get everywhere and really set up on this hair. So I'm gonna tell you what, girl, this is it. Like, all you do is throw on the shampoo. This is literally how we get in our color, shampooing the hair, and that's it. The reason that this blonde and silver purple shampoo is gonna work with getting this color is because it knocks out brassy tones. So all this yellow is gonna be knocked out the window. Just look at that, already just turning nice and ashy. So the longer you let this shampoo sit on the hair, the ashier it's gonna get, which is how I got the silver color. But here I'm just making sure to get this shampoo everywhere, making sure to unfold the bundles, you know what I'm saying, just getting it on every piece, because you do not want this to be splotchy. Now, one thing I did learn when doing this, because this was my first time doing this, like getting the color with shampoo, when I was like pouring the shampoo on there like that, you don't want to do that because it made those spots like harder or darker than the rest, just, you know, putting that color right on there. So it's best to just put the shampoo in your hand first, rub it in, set it up, and then put it on the hair so it can be more of a nice even color. So anyway, I just went on and made sure to saturate these bundles with this shampoo, making sure to get it everywhere, and then I went ahead and let it sit in my sink for about 10 minutes. So here's about 10 minutes later. As you can see, that color is pumping, nice and granny great for you, okay? Yes. So anyway, I just went ahead and rinsed out my bundles with cool water. Cool water is key to keeping your hair nice and soft and non-tangled and, you know, all that jazz. So I'm using my Aussie Mega Moist conditioner to condition my bundles. I just run it through, rinse it off, and then I let them air dry. So here's how the color came out, super pretty. And as you can see, those spots where I kind of like poured the shampoo, it did get a little darker like I was telling y'all. So it can be a little ombre effect, like with, you know, a little lavender. But you know what, I was rocking with it because it actually looked really cute. So here's the wig I made. A lot of y'all requested to see how I made this wig. Sorry y'all, I didn't record it, but I will probably show y'all in another video how I did just this basic 360, okay, circle, old school top piece wig. So I decided to cut some straight bangs with this unit, and I just thought this would be like a really fun look with this color. So you want to take a section of that hair out in the front where you want your bangs to be. Make sure you comb through with a small tooth comb, twist it once, twist it twice, just like that, and go ahead and cut. And this will give you some easy, like, not straight across bangs, but it'll give you kind of like some curved bangs, which y'all will see right here. You know, obviously they were way too long right here, so I did have to go ahead and do it again and just do some trimming on my own. But that's like the easiest way to cut bangs, especially for beginners. And then I went and notched my bangs to kind of thin them out, because I wanted them to kind of be a little wispy. I didn't want like really full heavy bangs. So yeah, that's the look, girl. So here is the wig, all like dried. It wasn't all the way dried, it was like 90% dry, but y'all can see this texture. Do you see it? Do you see this quality of this hair though? Like, just Beauty Forever just got some really like strong quality hair, which I love about their company. They just got quality hair. So anyway, I just finished blow drying the hair, getting it all nice and dry. And girl, this is a look in itself. Like, if you want that blown out effect, just some big blown out hair, like, this is a cute look in itself. And I like how the texture is not like super silky, it's just really realistic looking. So to finish this look out, I'm about to silk this hair out. I'm using my argan oil. I cranked my flat irons up to 450 to give me a real sleek silk out, and that's really it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this voice over here and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure if you want to shop Beauty Forever, you click those links down below. Shop you some quality affordable hair. Okay, once again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to y'all in my next video.